welcome to our channel.
Kumusta kayo?
We hope you enjoyed our cruise series, and if you haven't watched it, check it out on our channel.
Yep, it's a pretty good time.
Yes, so today we're gonna give you 8 tips on going on a Royal Caribbean Cruise.
Yep, and we'll definitely save you some time, hopefully.
We hope you learn a lot from here because we're gonna give you the best tips.
Yep, and here we go.
Sunscreen.
Boom! So this is what we got. It's called Sunbum.
Yeah.
Definitely, there's a lady that we went to on one of our boat rides, and she's tried them all, and she swears that this is the only one that works. And I totally agree because when I use it, it actually feels pretty good and it works. So even though I'm Filipino, I mean, I don't bake as much as like a fairer skinned person, but definitely, I do kind of maybe feel a difference. So definitely, and it looks cool. Look, it's a
and it smells really good.
Yeah, it smells
it's
good.
not greasy. Yeah.
Oh, it smells like coconut.
Okay, number 2 is cash tips. So, I know that every time you see your receipt, there's like an automatic tip. But being a former crew member, I can tell you that I don't see that money.
Yeah, like it goes into their salary,
yeah,
supposedly.
It's like a pool.
But it's like there's so many people. Like, when will you ever really see? You might even see just a cent or something. I don't know. I'm not really sure. But bring some cash, maybe tip them. But I think you could also tip them a credit card. And I know in the end you could give them like an envelope.
Yes.
Like specifically, like for example, like your waiter or waitress.
Yeah.
They definitely, or like even your room steward.
Yeah, the room steward for sure. We gave them big tip, and the waitresses and waiters, the servers. Yeah.
Well, how much you should tip? I don't know. That's pretty much up to you.
Yeah,
but I mean,
up to you.
Yeah, I mean, we kind of give them like a good amount, so that's not bad. I mean,
they're really good.
They're really good, and you'll find out when you get on board.
Yes. The number 3 tip. So in Royal Caribbean, you can reserve your seats for dinner, and you can also choose if you want to sit by yourselves or sit in a group. What we discovered is it's better to sit in a group, right, Andrew?
Yeah, because you got to meet a lot of cool people, and until this day we have friends now from Tennessee, and then
like Sweden.
Sweden, yeah, and we would have never met them ever in our lives, so it was cool to experience that and like talk to each other and like see where everyone's from. You know, they found out we're from LA. They found out we're Tennessee. You know, they're from Tennessee and Sweden, so it's kind of cool. And then we see them around the ship all the time, and then you can have your own dinner. You know, by yourselves, but it's kind of cool maybe the first day.
Yeah, and it's not like if you choose to have dinner by yourself for day 1, you have to do it the whole week. No, you choose like every day what you want to do.
Yeah, and it's kind of cool. So yeah.
All right.
So the next one, let's see here. All right, it's Royal Caribbean merch. So I know you want to go over there and you want to start buying all these cool like Royal Caribbean shirts and like I don't know, all these souvenirs right away, but don't, because towards the end, I think the last day, there's like they just come out with all their shirts and stuff and just throw it in the middle of the ship, you know, in like the middle, in the mid deck or something, and there's just a gang of people that just come in there like, oh my god, because you know why? Because it's on sale. They want to get rid of as much as they can.
We got really good deals.
Yeah, you get really good deals. I mean,
like
I think
bags, everything.
Yeah, I think you get like 30, 40, 50, maybe even more than that % off. Like it's a pretty good deal. So just wait towards the end to buy stuff from the ship. You can buy stuff on the ports, of course, because that's the only time you're going to be there. But if you're going to buy like definitely their merch, just wait till the end. I mean, if you really want that shirt, yeah, I mean, where are you going to go, really? You're just on the ship, so yeah, so check it out. It's pretty good. Also makes good, you know, souvenirs for yourself or gifts.
Okay, number 5. We really saved money because we didn't really drink in the ship, just before karaoke maybe, and we wait until we go to the port because the drinks there are cheaper. Also, when we order a drink, we don't even order premium. We just order the house drink because if you get a cocktail, you wouldn't even know the difference.
Yeah, really. And it's not saying like don't drink, but I mean, you know, have at it. Go grab a, you know, vodka cranberry or a Jaeger bomb or something. I don't know. Do whatever you want. But I'm just saying, if you want to save some more money, just wait till you hit port.
Yeah, you don't drive, so go crazy.
Yeah.
Again,
All right.
number
So the next
6.
one.
Nice clothes.
Okay, so number 6, you just finished the pool, you just got back from Puerto Rico or no, some other port in Bahamas. Oh, it's time for dinner. You go there with like some shorts, flip-flops, and a shirt, and you notice everyone's wearing like suits and like nice cocktail dresses. So, and that's kind of what happened to us one time. Basically, there's formal nights. I think there's like a schedule, but just bring a nice suit or something, a nice shirt, slacks, whatever. Because you kind of want to be part of the ambiance of everyone dressed up. Because I like how the ship does that, like where they kind of have a dress code. It's not enforced, obviously, but it's cool to have something like that.
Yeah, and make sure that you check the time and the schedule because
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, because the times are different. You might want to check that because it always changes. So you go there, oh, it's 6 o'clock, when really it's only like 7, or it's already 7. Or or the other way around. So, yeah, just always check the time. Make sure you're like, okay, I guess it's 5 o'clock right now, and then you'll know when you get there because and it sounds confusing right now, but just check the time because you don't want to be there too early or maybe be too late.
Number 7 is if you get sick, there is a medical facility.
Yeah, so on board there's like like a doctor,
Mm-hmm.
and like if you get seasick, there's like motion sickness pills. Actually, when you go down there, it's just right there, motion sickness pills. So it's kind of cool that they have that.
Yeah.
But also be prepared to pay if you really gotta see the doctor. So you gotta ask yourself, do I really want to see the doctor?
Yes. Can I just suck it up?
Yeah.
Because-
But if you're really bad, like with Elaine, she had
Yeah.
the flu.
At first I sucked it up, but no, I was like so weak,
Yeah.
so we had to go to the
How
doctor.
much was it? We got charged.
$400.
It's like $400, like something
And it-
crazy.
Yeah.
And we had a battle with our insurance to get it, and it was weird.
It's still an ongoing battle. by
Yeah,
the
we're
way.
definitely gonna get the money, but it's just
Yeah.
it's just the pain, So
Yes.
so like I said, try not to get sick, but if you do, just remember there's medical on board,
Yeah.
especially the motion sickness pills.
But
So
gauge your sickness because, for example, me, I got quarantined for a day, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but they're gonna give you free movies and free like a room service. So
And they don't
I
even
guess-
charge you because they charge you for tip, but then it all gets waived. So that's a pretty good deal. So I mean, we watched tons of movies. Yeah, it sucked, but it was a sea day, so it wasn't too bad.
Yeah. And at the end of the cruise, Royal Caribbean felt bad for me, so they gave me $200 credit. I'm not saying it's gonna happen to you, but yeah, they usually make you want to feel better.
Yeah, that's
So I
that's
like
pretty
them.
cool of them.
Yeah. And then number 8, the best tip. Is it 8? Yeah, 8. The best tip that we can tell you is
Yep. So in all the shows that you go to, you're like, oh, I gotta get there in time to watch the show, and then like, because you have it reserved, but then then when you don't have a reservation, it's just like this gang line, and then you just gotta find a seat. But then the high rollers, they have their own reserve seating
yeah, the
area.
VIPs, the
The
one in the
VIPs and all that.
suites.
Yeah, so what we learned, I think 5 minutes before the show, they actually opened those seats up, so you can actually have amazing seats.
Yeah.
Up right there. Oh, hey, they're about to remove it. They're removing it. So we tend to wait towards the end,
Yeah.
or the end of the beginning, or I don't even know, like 5
before,
minutes before.
5 minutes before the show starts.
Yeah, so we'll go, and then I think every single show we saw was like the best
We're
seats in the
best
house.
seats.
So that's definitely one thing you should know. We found that out because we saw it happen all the time.
Yeah.
So we're like, well, let's just move over there, and no one had any issues, and now you guys know.
Yeah, so make sure you do that.
Yeah, because like I remember like being in I think they're playing Grease, and literally some guy's sweat hit me in the face. Like that's how close you are to the
Yeah, you're
to
really super close,
show,
like VIP close. So.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, and if you guys seen the shows, they're phenomenal. So definitely check them out, especially like the Fine Line and Grease is cool, and all the other ones. They're all cool. What can I say?
Okay, so basically that's the gist. And if you have more questions, please feel free to comment below. We'll answer it for you.
And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button.
And if you love this video, please subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, you can also hit the bell too if you really want. But yeah, so we'll just see you guys on the next one.
Bye!